Hi, my name is Hannah, and I am a busy mom of 6 in Indiana. This is my daughter, Mary. Can you say hi? Hi. That's right. And we've been members through Thrive Gives for about 2 years. Our daughter, Mary, has a genetic syndrome that causes digestive problems. So Mary is tube fed, and we were starting the process of making her food ourselves. I knew I wanted to give Mary the best quality food that we could, and I was finding that what I wanted to give her was expensive. I stumbled upon Thrive, and I knew right away that it would be a great thing for our family to join. So we requested the Thrive Gives membership and have been using it ever since. We love the savings that we see. We love that we know we're giving Mary quality foods, and we love that we know how it's been sourced. We love our Thrive Gives membership, and we wanted to say thank you. Say thank you. That's right, thank you.